Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost everybody on a no-show. Even
Guys, today's the official day, moving official day. So like I've brought in some things and I just want to arrange them here and there. I don't know if I'm gonna spend the night here. We shall see. Because this is me guess nilisahau somewhere. Alafu I have my brother's idea. Mama Day! Kuja kusema hi. Kuja kusema hi. Kuja kusema hi. No, I'm going to social media.
Hi guys, please like, subscribe, and share.
And comment.
And comment.
So she's here to help me to clean and arrange. Alafu. Yeah, so let's get into it.
I tend to give him way too much credit. Guess I'm a little too empathetic. Don't need to waste my time trying to prove I'm enough for you. I just happen to make it a habit. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Baby I'm fine, I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine, RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Your empty words left me distracted. Guess all this time you were just acting. Rehearsed your lines before you left intentions at the door. Go ahead, accuse me of overreacting. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Baby I'm fine.
Spend every dollar, save time tomorrow. Time or money is yours. Inbox full, dopamine pulling, shadows of insecurity. Send me a postcard, read me the news. Write me a letter, write me notes in the rearview mirror. Every moment, every second, every move. Let me waste my time on you. Send me a postcard, read me the news. Write me a letter, write me notes in the rearview mirror. Every moment, every second, every move. Let me waste my time on you. Reflective spaces, larger places. Come and light up the air up in the window.
This clip had quite a bit of background noise, so I decided to do a voiceover instead. At this point, I wasn't entirely sure how I wanted to style and display everything in the kitchen, so I just randomly arranged them. I picked up this cup from a thrift store about a year ago and I still absolutely love it. As for this set, I bought it from Clean Shelf. After a little rearranging and styling, this is how everything turned out. It's simple, neat, and for now, I'm really happy with the result. What do you think? Oh, look at you. There you go. Well done.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me. If you would show me. If you would show me. I spent so much time daydreaming. So now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who's the real me. I need my help and I thought I needed. I can see it. Need my healing. More believing. Less deceiving. I don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating. I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I.
Thank you. Now that we are done with the kitchen, I think we're just gonna install curtains in the rest of the house, and then I will be leaving because we'll not be spending the night here. The rest of everything else, I will do it when I'm officially sleeping in this house. But for now, let's just install the curtain, and then we'll be on our way out. So there's this woman that we were watching yesterday on YouTube. I love her content, and I just discovered her like yesterday and I fell in love with her content. Mama Deng showed her to me and I just fell in love with her content like full time. So there's a certain way that she had placed her curtains, and I think I'm gonna copy that one. I'm going to copy that one. That is definitely what I'll be doing. So let's see if I can remember.
7:35 at night. Road trip down to the coast. Stereo on high. A vibe in your bleached denim shirts. A couple days of cemetery, a sunscreen, and nowhere else to be. In the fader when I'm bigger, making hella memories. I wish that we could go back more than just a throwback. Baby, only you and me. Chasing after sunsets back when we were young and
mine, it was like from this end to the other end, but it still doesn't change the effect because her window was no complaints. And my look, this is now what we call coupé, because the only difference, my window is small, hers was bigger, but still, I love the effect. I love the way it is. It's not different from what she was doing, and I'm definitely loving it. So now we're gonna go to the living room and do the one for the living room. This is done.
Sweet mistake, bitter after one soft kiss turned disaster. Sweet mistake, bitter after I loved the night and lost the answer. You came over after midnight with your voice low in the rain. I said I wouldn't let you in, then I opened up the same. Your hands were warm around my waist, like you still knew where to go. I forgot all my reasons when you pulled me close. Blue light on the ceiling, your shirt on the floor. I knew it wasn't healing, but I wanted one night more. I should've stopped when I felt it start. I should've left before the spark, but lonely tastes like something sweet when your old love is touched.
Bye guys, see you next time.
Your time. Hata umejua umefanya sauti. Hiyo time ingine mama Denga ataonekana kwa vlog zangu. Ashawaambia buy in advance, ndio. She's been helpful by them, so thankful, because why not for her, mimi ningekuwa bado niko sahi, akili inaruka kwa sababu nafaa kusafisha everything, but she's been so thankful.
It's okay. You're welcome.
So that is the end of our vlog. We have done what we need to do, what we had to do, what we had planned to do coming here. Now we are eating our sesame chocolate, Tanya. Then we are headed out. I'm going to be spending the entire weekend at her place. Then I'll be coming back now officially to my place.
Next week on Monday.
Nanyuka kabisa nirudi kesho. Sai asha nirudi.
You say you're spending the weekend. The weekend is until on Sunday.
Because you forced it down on me. I was supposed to come back yesterday. You can insist. Hadi Monday.
You need to rest. So when you come back,
Sindio?
do everything, yeah?
Tafuteni masizalizo kama hawa. Kama hawa. Sasa, yeah. Thank you for watching, and we'll be seeing you in our next